Welcome students, and today we are going to discuss about you. Yes, I am going to talk about you. Now, first thing, because of this lockdowns, because of the online classes, because of the cancellation of exams, because of the postponement of exams, really the interest in education, the learning, the enthusiasm has really gone down. Now, what to do? If we don't educate ourselves, we don't learn, will not grow in life. If we will not grow in career. But if this type of situation is there, then the mood will not come. So, what is the solution? We will discuss in this lecture. Hey, here this lecture is divided into two parts. First, for those whose exams are cancelled, this part is very useful for everybody. And second part is for those students whose exams are postponed, they don't know the dates, or maybe they know tentative dates, but then they are not able to decide what to do, what not to do. So let's start with the first part, that if your exams are cancelled and you are thinking seriously about your career, what best you can do? Hey, what stopped your formal education? What stopped your school, college education? Right? Nothing more than this. Now, I will ask you a simple question. Take a piece of paper, write on the piece of paper that what is your college education, what you will be going to learn from this college education, and what would be the output. If you complete that education, yes, write this, you will understand. Suppose you complete a normal BCom also, and with commitment, with zeal, you will land up with 25-30,000 salaries. If you complete CMA, CA type of courses, you will land up with 70-80,000 salaries per month. I am talking about. Okay, right, sir. So this is what the final thing if you achieve this standard education. Now just on the side you think about your dreams. Now you understood. You want to enjoy a lavish life. You want to enjoy financial freedom. You want to build a lot of great relationships in life. You want to have a wonderful network of people who are successful. Now your dreams, your goals are something bigger or way bigger than what your top standard education can actually help you to achieve. And this is what you should realize. Once you realize this, then you will ask a question, sir, then how to achieve our dreams? You have to achieve your dreams the way the people who have already achieved. Yes, think about Elon Musk, think about Bill Gates, think about Steve Jobs, think about Dhirubhai Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, how they have achieved it. What they did to achieve their dreams. We have to just do something similar considering our goals and dreams. For that, what's the very fundamental thing required is reading books. Now, if you are not reading books to achieve your goals, to know about, learn about, understand about the area in which you are interested. Suppose really you are interested in cooking and you want to become Sanjeev Kapoor or something great in this area, then read books relating to that. If you want to become financially free, you want to achieve some great heights, then read some books like Think and Grow Rich. But first to fix your dream, that what you want to achieve, what you want to be, and then accordingly decide your goals. Once you have goals and dreams set in your life, then you will work towards it. But then there are many negative, pessimistic people like us also. We'll think, sir, if we fix our dreams, will we achieve? We will never achieve, sir. Waste of reading. Hey, you may achieve the goals or you may land up near to it. But by setting goals, by visualizing your dreams, what you will do is, if you put efforts, action into it, you will become a personality who is a success in itself. Now think about APJ Abdul Kalam, what he has dreamed. He did not get standard education, he did not get great education, he did not study in some great Harvard or Cambridge or some great things. But he had a dream that I want to make my country secure. He got great offers from NASA and many other countries, but his dream was clear and he worked for our country. Limitations were there, government support was not that, but still he worked hard with limited resources, with no cooperation. He toiled hard to make our country a nuclear power, and that's why he is called as the missile man of our country. Think about Elon Musk. He thought, suppose if the earth is met with an accident, then whole humanity will die. We have to arrange alternative for the earth, and he decided that he will start a company called as SpaceX. First, he went to Russia to ask for spacecraft where he can travel to that other countries, but he observed that it is too costly. He decided that he will make it on his own. Hey, it's impossible. Countries like America, Russia, China, India, these countries are able to do it with lot of financial resources. Many other countries don't even think of. Something which cannot be dreamed by a country, Elon Musk as a private individual decided that I will. First time he failed, second time he failed. Everybody said, please Elon, stop yourself. It's impossible. It's not a private person, individual person's job. But he had a dream. He has risked everything what he has. He was a billionaire at that time. He invested his billions into it. What he did, third time he became successful. He was the first person to launch affordable private rocket spacecraft into the satellite sector. This is what now NASA, America's space agency, has given billions of dollars project to this company, because he has dreamed big, he has worked hard, and for that he learned a lot. Let us start at least learned a lot from this stage. Definitely will do. Come on, let's understand about Sandeep Maheshwari. Stock photography. He failed many times in his life, but did he stop? No. He pursued his passion. What he did? He invested all his creativity, all his innovation, thought process into stock photography, and he now owns a company, imagesbazaar.com. That's Asia's #1 stock photography album, right? What you want to achieve, it cannot be the same what everybody, or it can be something similar to that, but fix it and work towards it. Learn, read books, learn from the experts in the area in which you want to achieve. Try to meet the people, try to connect with them. Definitely you will become successful. Self-learning will really take you to the next level. College education will make you the best employee, but if you invest in self-learning, you will be something which you actually want to become, actually want to achieve. So do invest your time. Now let's come to those students who are into exams, and sir, exam dates are not declared, what to do? Exams are dates are declared, but what to do? Hey, first thing, if you have already prepared everything and your preparation is totally done, now you are thinking what to do. First thing, revise. Do it. Everybody will say this. Second thing, you have to try to explore practical aspects what you studied. Suppose you studied company law. How company law implementation is done? What are the different forms which we fill? What are the type of problems which the companies face in implementing? Practical workshops are uploaded on YouTube by many experts. Learn from them. Similar with other subjects also. So this way you will be able to get new insight and happiness into your learning and bring back your focus. And moreover, from textbooks you will reach near to the corporate world. This is what the real expectations are, and you will achieve career success easily. Now for those students who did not complete their preparation, they are halfway through or they did not start, hey, this is the time to fix your schedules and commit yourself that you will not fail in your schedules. Do it. Definitely you will do great. Whoever has become successful, discipline for them was a criteria. What is the fundamental thing? Just be disciplined, work on what you are the weak areas of yours. Definitely you will do great. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye.